It's multiply polynomials. This class belongs to Algebra 2, so welcome. It's something not hard, it's easy. This kind of topic or the problem. First of all, we have to remember some rule for today. When you multiply powers with the same base, add the exponent. This is right here. To multiply powers with the same base, add the exponent. Okay, this kind of rule is very important to keep in your mind. So we have this problem here. The first, we have to actually it's not polynomial, it's monomials, two monomials multiply. So negative 6d to the second power times 9d. The first step here is apply the commutative property. Apply commutative property. Let's see, apply the commutative property. It's gonna be in this way. So we are gonna have here negative 6 times 9, okay, times d to the second power times d to the first power. After that, simplify these operations. You're gonna have 6 times 9 is 54. It's gonna be negative 54. Negative times positive is negative. Here, multiply times d to the second power times d to the first power is gonna be d to the third power. Remember this rule. When you have the same base and when you multiply polynomials, the exponents add. You have to add exponent. So this is the answer. It's done, this problem. Okay, let's do another problem. Let me show you one more example. B. Let's write x to the second power times x to the second power, okay, minus 4x. Here we have to rewrite as addition this polynomial. So the next step, rewrite as addition. You rewrite as addition. You're gonna have then actually almost the same. Just change as some a little bit. Right, the brackets here, x to the second power plus minus 4x. See? Now apply the distributive property here. Apply the distributive property. Apply the distributive property, and then you apply the distributive property. You're gonna have here, first x squared times here x squared plus this is times multiply for all inside terms. Okay, this is multiplying for all inside numbers or terms or variables inside the parentheses or the brackets. So therefore it's x to the second power times negative 4x. See? Now when you have this problem here, you simplify. And then you are going to have here, when you multiply here, this is x times x, x to the 4th power. Remember the before the rule that I wrote it. When you multiply powers with the same base, exponents add. So here 2 plus 2 is 4. Plus multiply this, x times positive x minus is going to be negative here 4x to the 3rd power, added exponent 1 and 2 is 3. See? Now rewrite a subtraction here. Rewrite a subtraction. As subtraction. Yeah, it's just like just change these signs here. Then the answer is going to be x to the 4th power minus 4 to the 3rd power. See? This is the answer. Find the product. So this is the way how multiply polynomials. It's very simple. It's very easy. It's not complex problem right now. It's Algebra 2. Keep in your mind the rules a long time before I show you in Algebra 1. So you have to remember some rule. That's the case for today. The rule that we remember was that multiply powers with the same base. When you multiply powers with the same base, the exponents added. So you have to add the exponent when you multiply in the powers with the same base. Okay, that's it. Thank you.